Hey there, dessert lovers. Today, we're making a quick, no-bake chocolate cookie treat that'll make you the hero of any last-minute sweet craving. First, grab about 400 grams, that's roughly 14 ounces, of your favorite cookies. I'm using simple tea biscuits, but you can use graham crackers, shortbread, or whatever's in your pantry that hasn't gone stale. Break them into small pieces with your hands. No need to crush them into dust. We want little bite-sized chunks. Next up, 100 grams, about 3.5 ounces of walnuts. If you're not into walnuts, swap in pecans, almonds, or even hazelnuts. Grab a knife and give them a rough chop. We want nice little crunchy bits in every bite. Now let's make the chocolate magic. In a saucepan, add 100 grams, half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, and 75 grams, about 2/3 cup cocoa powder. Give it a mix to break up any cocoa lumps. Slowly pour in 400 milliliters, 1 3/4 cups, milk, whisking as you go, until smooth. Turn on the heat to medium-low and warm the mixture gently, about 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so the milk doesn't curdle. Keep stirring for 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens into a silky chocolate sauce. This part smells so good, it's basically kitchen therapy. Once it's thickened, take it off the heat and stir in 50 grams, about 3½ tablespoons, of butter. When that melts in, toss in your chopped nuts. Here's where the fun begins. In a big mixing bowl, add your cookie pieces. Pour the hot chocolate sauce all over and mix until everything is coated and chocolate has claimed its territory. Line a square pan with parchment paper and spread the mixture evenly. Press it down so it holds together. Pop it into the fridge for at least 3 hours to set. When the block is firm, lift it from the pan and cut it into bite-sized squares. But we're not stopping there. Nope, we're going deluxe. For the coating, melt some chocolate, chop up a handful of peanuts, and stir them into the melted chocolate. Dip each cookie square in the mixture, making sure it's fully covered. Place them on a wire rack so the extra chocolate drips off. Let them set until the coating is firm. And there you have it, glossy, crunchy, chocolate-covered bites that taste like pure happiness. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it with your fellow dessert lovers, and subscribe so you never miss a sweet moment. See you in the next video.